Imagine having just $100 in your pocket, thinking it's not much. But what if I told you that you could turn that $100 into $1,000 in 30 days? Sounds too good to be true? Trust me, I was in your shoes, but with the right strategy and hustle, I made it happen. I'm not talking about any magic tricks, just smart moves and a bit of work. Let me walk you through how I did it and how you can do it too. First, I started by flipping items online. I know, you're probably thinking, flipping? Like pancakes? Well, kind of, but instead of pancakes, I flipped products. I spent my $100 on things I knew I could sell for more. I hit up places like Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist to find phones, laptops, or even gaming consoles at low prices. People sell stuff cheap because they don't know its real value. But I did. I cleaned them up, took great pictures, and sold them for double the price. It was that simple. You don't need to be a genius to spot a good deal. Just look for items people want, but don't know how much they're worth. Now, with $200 in my pocket, I didn't just stop there. Here's the next step. Reinvest your profits. Instead of celebrating with a pizza and Netflix binge, I doubled down and kept flipping. The goal was to build my money. With my $200, I started investing in limited edition sneakers. Yes, you heard that right. Sneakers. You may think it's silly, but this is a real market. People are willing to pay a premium for rare kicks. I researched releases, followed sneaker trends, and grabbed a few pairs at retail price. Within a week, I flipped them for $400. Boom, just like that, I had $400. But it didn't stop there. To take it to the next level, I decided to diversify my investments. The key here is not to put all your eggs in one basket. I took part of my $400 and put it into stocks. Now, I didn't go crazy and start buying random stocks. I took the time to research. I picked solid companies that I knew had potential for growth, even if they were small at the time. With the rest of the money, I jumped into cryptocurrency, a bit of a gamble, I know, but the potential was huge. Over the next few weeks, my stock investments grew and my crypto value skyrocketed. Suddenly, I was staring at $1,000. The most important part of this process? Consistency. I didn't just flip one item and call it quits. I kept going, reinvesting my profits and learning as I went. Each sale, each investment taught me something new about the market. And that's the secret to success. Just keep moving forward, even when things don't seem to work out right away. You don't need a ton of money to get started. I began with $100, and by being smart with where I put my cash, I turned it into $1,000. You can do it too. You don't need any special skills, just a little research, some hustle, and the ability to spot opportunities where others might not see them. So, what's stopping you? If you're ready to take action, start today. Whether it's flipping products or investing in the stock market or crypto, just get started. The sooner you do, the faster you can see results. Hit the like button if this helped you out, subscribe for more tips, and share it with your friends who need a side hustle. Don't wait. Your future self will thank you.